Hey everyone, this is Max Edson, co-founder of Price, and I'm here to walk you through our month-over-month price change map. And ultimately, what we're trying to display are counties where the land is either trading up or down in value, and also by how much that land is trading up or down in value. And so there's a multiple different uses it can be used for. One in particular is potentially forecasting those high growth areas to target next. And conversely, it could help you stay away from those areas that may be low growth. And so you can look at this map, it's interactive. In the top right hand corner, you'll see a legend here. So the darker the counties are, the less growth there will be. And then again, the lighter the counties are, the more growth there will be. And if you wanted to filter out the counties to say to some percentage, you can absolutely do that under our price change percent bar here. So if you wanted to say, okay, I only want to target those counties that are at least break even growth or greater, I can put it as 0 for the low end, and then you'll see that it'll start to filter out all the counties. So this is a great way how to use this tool to locate and pinpoint new counties to mail. So please like, share, subscribe if you want to learn more, and enjoy.